exercises designed to strengthen you so that you don't fall. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, the lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the red subscribe button and then click the little gray bell, and you'll be notified about every new video each week, and all of the videos will apply to you. The healthy trinity of fitness is endurance, strength, and flexibility. In this video, we're going to focus on strength. As we get older, we get too weak in our core area, which you can consider starts at your waist and goes down usually to your hips, but you know what? It's weakness all the way down to our feet. So we want to be able to strengthen that because we don't want to fall. In 2017, I fell 4 times. In 2018, I didn't fall at all. So something's working really well, and I want to show you some of the exercises that I do to strengthen my core. I'm starting with a Pilates ring, and I'm actually going to lie down and put a pillow down too. And I'm going to squeeze it between my knees and then lift up and hold for about 3 to 5 seconds and then go down. And I keep doing this about 10 times. I give it a good squeeze on the way up. So this is good for the glutes. It's good for the inner, well, the whole thigh area, really. And you're also going to be working your abs when you do this. And all of the equipment that I'm showing is linked below in the description box, so you can check it out for yourself. Next are clams. Now, when I first started doing these, I did a more simplistic version, which I'll show you. I advanced beyond this a little bit more, but this is a great thing to do to strengthen your core. Now, I have a band that was cut from a larger piece given to me by my physical therapist and then tied. But if you buy one of these continuous loops, you could also tie a knot in it to make it smaller and then use one of the 2 loops for it as well. So that's another idea in case you buy a continuous loop. But what I'm going to do is put this on, put it right above my knees, and I'm going to be just in this position with my knees bent. So the clams is you go up and down, and you'll feel this in your glute. And you don't want to go like this, up and down. You just want to go up, hold it for a couple seconds, and down. And when I first started doing this, I did 15 repetitions, and then I'd flip over and do 15 on the other side, and I did that 3 times. Once I got to a certain point where that felt pretty easy, another therapist told me, you know what, just do 50 at a time, because that will be a lot more challenging. So that's clams. Now I'm going to hold on to the band because I'm going to show you a combination with clams a little bit later. But now what I want to show you is the next thing that my PT had me doing, which was a modified plank. So my left arm is down on the floor from elbow to fingertips. And I'm going to come up like this and just hold here. And I would hold for about 40 to 45 seconds. Now the next level of challenge is to just move your arm, and you could even do your 40 to 45 second count with this arm going up and down. And when that feels like, you know, it's no longer all that challenging, then use a weight. So here I have a 1 pound weight, and in front of me I have a 2 pound weight and a 3 pound weight. So when you get up to the 3 pound weight, then you've maximized the challenge for this particular exercise. Next, my physical therapist combined the clams with the modified side plank. So I have the band on my knees again, and this time I'm going to have both knees bent, but I'm just going to go up into the side plank and do the clams up here. And then when this gets to feel like it's easy to do, then I can move my arm to make it a little more challenging. When that starts feeling not so challenging, I can take the 1 pound weight and then the 2 pound weight and then the 3 pound weight And that is the next level of the clams and modified plank together. And I'm working all of these muscles in here to keep myself from falling down. The next challenge of combining clams with modified plank is to straighten my legs, but then I'm going to bend the bottom leg and come up and do the clams this way with one straight leg. This is more challenging, and this is where I'm at now. And then of course, once you master that, then you can move your arm. Once you master moving the arm with nothing in it, you can add a weight, 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound, and that is where I'm at right now in my progression. Then the next progression, where I'm not at yet, is to straighten both legs, do the modified plank, and then lift the legs. Yeah, I'm not there yet. That's really hard for me. So it's a lot more weight on the shoulders, but that would be the next progression. Do clams, straight legs, both straight legs, and hand in the air, hand moving, and then adding the weights. And make sure to stretch well. Check out my Stretching for Flexibility video by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, or my other strengthening exercise video also, and I'll see you in the next video.